Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at using the more command to view text files a select number of lines at a time. By default, a command like more my file, let's see if we can get that, like more my file like that, is going to basically show you as many lines as will fit in your terminal window. The last line being a line that shows you how much of the file is currently displayed. And of course you can hit enter or the space bar and go down more. You can hit the up arrow key to go back up and Q to quit. Now if you want to see only a few lines at a time or less than would fit in your screen, you can use the -N option with a number of lines. So now I'm going to look at this file, my file, 5 lines at a time. So I hit enter here and you can see it's showing me 5 lines. Now it's showing me 10. So it's adding 5 every time I go through here till I get to the end. And of course I can still use the up arrow to back up, and I can quit with Q. Well, that's your Linux tip for using the more command to display a text file some number of lines at a time. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.